Hi, we've got the cutest toy to tell you about today. Can you hear it? It's a unicorn and it's made by Gund, and it's a magical unicorn that is animated and it lights up and it's really cuddly. Have a look. Do you want to show everybody the unicorn? Wow. What have you called it?
Spirit.
Spirit the unicorn. And what does it do that's really exciting?
Watch.
Stroke his back. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Should we show them again? Can you see how his wings are lighting up and it makes a lovely noise?
Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
It's a bit like a real unicorn, isn't it? 'Cause it's so magical.
Yeah.
What do you like best about this unicorn?
It's cuddly. It lights up.
And what do you think about the colour of it?
I like it because it's blue, my favourite colour.
It's a rainbow tail, isn't it? Yeah, it's got both of your favourite colours. What's your favourite, Liam?
Pink. Mine is blue. Definitely.
And it's got both of your favourite colours. Now, do you think that this is a girl's toy or a boy's toy?
Girls.
Do you think that boys might like it?
No.
Don't you?
No. Boys will never like unicorns.
Oh. So the unicorn is the first of a series of toys that I'm reviewing with the girls as part of a bit of an experiment. We have teamed up with Jenny from Monkey and Mouse blog and her two boys, and we're seeing what they think of the same toys that we're reviewing, because they're really similar age to my two and they are actually into really similar things. So one of Jenny's boys is quite into all things pink and sparkly, and one of my girls, Leah, is really into that sort of thing as well. But Libby, my eldest, tends to be more into robots than unicorns, and she's more into being outside and being active than perhaps doing more traditional girl things like playing with dolls. And we thought it would be really interesting just to see what they thought of particular toys, because I think it's really important to buy for the child rather than for the gender. So have a look at what Jenny's boys thought of this unicorn, because it's a really interesting thing to see.
I just it! I petted it! You pat my wings! Yay!
What's the best thing about your unicorn?
We love it!
What's the best thing about it?
And it looks... My best thing is it's cuddly. A real unicorn. It's cuddly.
Okay, is there anything you don't like about your unicorn or anything you'd change?
No.
Thanks very much for watching. Do check out Jenny's review as well. It's really interesting to see what her boys had to say about the unicorn. So the link to her full review is in my caption.